We're going to unbox a Universal Laser VLS 350DT desktop system. The unboxing process is going to be the same for either the VLS 230DT or the 360DT. Before we actually snip this, we're going to take a look at our tilt and shock sensors on the front of the system. We've got a tilt sensor, and then around the sides of the system you'll find shock sensors. You want to make a note or contact us immediately if either of these are tripped prior to you unboxing it. We'll need pictures of them in case there's any issue with the machine once we unbox it. So that's the first step. Ours are looking good. We're going to use metal snips to snip, cut the filter, and then we're going to remove the packaging materials. Take our top off here. And then you can just pull, there's either stapled, put your hand under them, pull them open. Now if you got some accessories, like a cutting table for instance, it might be in a box on the inside. We're going to remove this and just sit to the side. Sit to the side for now. And then we can lift this whole part of the box up. Set this to the side. And tear open the interior box. And we have a sheet of cardboard sitting on top. Now on the inside of the system, you're going to find a couple of boxes. This box is sort of the startup kit. It's going to have a lot of the tools that you need, so don't discard this. Make sure you set this to the side. We'll open that in a little bit. We also have some foam that we're going to pull out. This box is going to be our laser tube. So this is expensive. You want to be very careful with this. We'll install this after we've got the system on the table. And now we've got just the laser system left. We're going to be putting ours on a table, but for now we've got a cart so we can transport it over. So now I'm going to get somebody to help me lift this up and set it on the cart so we can transport it over to where it's going to live. So the system isn't terribly heavy, but it's a good idea to have somebody help you. Lift directly up, set it on the cart, and we can move this into the other room now.